Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the second part of Unit 7 verbs, that is forms of verb. Dear children, verb has a quality of changing its form. It changes according to subject and according to time of speech. So verb forms, they are according to the subject and according to the time of speech. To understand it more precisely, we will go through different examples and it will be more clarified to you all. So first of all, according to the subject. So according to the subject, first example, as you can see here, the sentence is I am smart. Here I is subject and the verb which agrees with the subject is am. So I is subject, which is first person, and am is the verb here. In the second sentence, you can see you are smart, where you is the subject, that is second person, and are is the verb. So you are smart. Third is he is smart, where he is the subject and is the verb which agrees with the subject, and he is third person. And we have already learnt about first, second and third person when we studied about pronouns. So I'm not going to repeat it again. You can watch the previous video to know what are these first, second and third persons. So dear children, as you can clarify in this, you can understand that in these sentences, verbs like am, are and is, they are changed according to the subject, that is I, you and he respectively. With I, the verb is am, and with you, the am changes into are because subject is changed. And similarly, in the third sentence also, the subject is he, that is third person, and this verb is. So here it is clarified that verb changes according to the subject. As the subject changes, the verb has also changed its form. So this was the first type, that how does a verb changes according to the subject. Now let's come to the another, that is according to the time. Now what is the time of speech? Time of speech means कि when is the action happening? Action कब हो रहा है? वो पास्ट में हो चुका है या प्रेजेंट में हुआ है या वो फ्यूचर में होगा. सो टाइम ऑफ स्पीच के हिसाब से भी अवर वर्ब चेंजेस. द वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम ऑफ स्पीच, कि कोई चीज़ पास्ट में हो चुकी है या प्रेजेंट में हो रही है या फ्यूचर में होगी. सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल एंड इट विल बी more clarified to us. So here, for example, the verb is go. All right. So first sentence is Rohan goes to school daily. Next is Rohan went to school yesterday. Third is Rohan will go to school tomorrow. So यहाँ पे आप ध्यान देंगे how does the verb changes. यहाँ देखिए subject जो है it remains same. Rohan, 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 तीनों sentences में the subject is same, but the verb is changing. In the first sentence, it is goes, then goes becomes went, and went becomes will in the third sentence. How is it changing? Because we are having different times of speech. Like you can see here, daily. Daily means Rohan रोज स्कूल जाता है, तो it is the present tense. Present की बात कर रहे हैं हम. रोहन went to school yesterday. रोहन पिछले कल स्कूल गया था. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट. यहाँ टाइम ऑफ स्पीच क्या है? पास्ट है. नेक्स्ट, रोहन विल गो टू स्कूल टुमारो. टुमारो मीन्स कल जाएगा. अगेन द टाइम ऑफ स्पीच इज फ्यूचर, तो वहाँ पर क्या आ गया? विल. तो एज यू कैन सी हियर द वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम. प्रेजेंट में अलग है. इन प्रेजेंट इट इज गोज, इन पास्ट it is went, and in future it is will. So in this way verb changes according to time. ये तो हैं तीन फॉर्म्स हमारी verbs की. जैसे कि base form, first is base form, second is past form, and third is past participle form. And they are also known as base form जो है we also call it V1, past form we call it V2, and past participle form we call it V3. Now let's take an example, and the example is fly. So V1 base form fly will remain fly. V2 fly becomes flew, and in V3 flew becomes flown. So these are the three forms of verbs. इनके अलावा भी देर आर 2 more forms, that is S और ES form and ING form. देखिए S and ES form का इस्तेमाल कब हो रहा है? When the subject is third person and in singular form. ठीक है, then like for example we have taken another example of sing. तो base form is sing, past sang and past participle sung. Sing, sang, sung. So here when do we use S or ES form? When the subject is third person and is in the singular form. So base form plus S or ES, it becomes sings. Right? Then is the ING form. ING form is used when the work is continuing while we are talking about it. जब हम उस काम भी हो रहा है, जब हम उसके बारे में बात करें, that it becomes the ING form. The base form sing के साथ ING is added with it. So these are the main जो हैं, these are the 3 forms of verbs. I have given a chart over here. You will go through each and every form of verb, that is V1, V2 and V3, because it will help you for when we will study about tenses. ये जो तीनों फॉर्म्स हैं, ये आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगी अगर आपको ये लर्न होंगी, अगर आपने इनको समझा होगा अच्छे से, तो tenses will become easier for you to understand. So I hope it is clear to you and you will go through the video again. अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ समझ में नहीं आई है, go through the video again. एंड बहुत ही सिंपल हैं तीनों फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब जो हैं, दे आर वेरी सिंपल. और पता होना चाहिए जो वर्ब है, इट हैज़ अ क्वालिटी ऑफ चेंजिंग इटसेल्फ विद सब्जेक्ट और अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट 3 forms of verb. Thank you so much. Have a good day.